Today's video is a golden surprise for you because I'm about to show you 3 free hidden AI tools that can literally create anything for you with one click, whether it's images, videos, or even a complete website. Before we start, I have a small request. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. Alright, let's begin. From Nano Banana, I gave it a prompt. Create a portrait photo of an influencer and hit generate. In just 3 to 4 seconds, the result is right here. Look at it. Super clean, accurate, and extremely realistic. But that was just the trailer. Now let's push it further. I gave it another prompt. Make the same girl standing in the mountains. Ran the prompt. And again, the result is in front of you. It kept the face 100% consistent. Same face, same expressions. Only the background changed. Now I told it, change her clothes to a wedding dress. Ran the prompt. Waited a few seconds. And boom, same girl, same consistency, only the outfit changed. Most AI models can't do this, but this one handles it perfectly. One last test. I prompted, place the same girl inside a wedding hall. And again, exact same face, but new pose and wedding hall background. Face consistency is 100% perfect. Now you know how powerful the image model is. But when it comes to video generation, the most powerful, fastest, and free tool right now is Sora 2. Watch this. I gave it a prompt. Create a motion graphics video for social media for these lines. And then I pasted my script lines. After that, I simply changed the aspect ratio from portrait to landscape, clicked next, and waited a few seconds. The video is ready. Look at the result.
Imagine I tell you about 3 free hidden tools which make your life super easier, especially for content creators.
And yes, you can enhance it even further using prompts. Then I tried another prompt. Create a movie trailer based on sci-fi, fantasy, and horror. Reveal the main horror character a few times. Make the trailer suspenseful. Hit generate, and the trailer is ready.
We found a door buried under the ice.
Whatever built it isn't gone.
I think we woke it up.
It's hunting us.
Then we hunt back.
If I showed this without the watermark, you wouldn't even be able to guess it's AI generated. Studio quality visuals, sound design, and cinematic feel, everything is top tier. Now the last tool, and this one is like an all-in-one powerhouse, Minimax. First, let's check its video generation model. So once again, I gave it the exact same prompt that I used in Sora. Create a motion graphics video. I just hit next, waited a few seconds, and boom, the video was ready. And yep, the results are insane. But Minimax has another free feature, website generation. You can see over 100 free templates built by users, which you can customize. But let's build from scratch. I gave it a simple prompt. Create a full-stack website where users can convert text to PDF easily, and clicked next. Now just sit back. AI handles everything. It started processing, and within a short time, the website is fully ready. Backend included. It even deployed it live. From just one prompt. Let's preview it. First impression, this looks super clean, accurate, and SEO friendly. People charge thousands of dollars for sites like this. Let's check features one by one, starting from the footer. First, the info pages. It smartly integrated the About page into the same site. You can edit everything easily. Same with the privacy page. Everything is handled perfectly. Now let's test the functionality. In the text box I type, subscribe to Invento AI so you never miss any update. And seriously, go ahead and subscribe. Look below. It shows words, characters, paragraphs, and even estimated speaking time. Perfect accuracy. Way better than expected. It also lets you set page margins and page size, and everything responds instantly. Click Convert, and it instantly generates the PDF. Let's download it and preview it. Perfect. All content is there and formatted. Clearing text also works perfectly, with warning prompts. There's sample text too, and it works flawlessly. Every single feature is functioning smooth and precise. This is a golden opportunity for you to start an online business. If you want a full detailed video where I explain all Minimax features deeply, then subscribe to the channel and comment Minimax below. Alright, see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.